Forex Market Review for February 16. Greetings. In the United States, the day of the president has ended and the American stock market will open today, and therefore one can expect a more lively movement in the Forex market. Let's move on to an overview of the foreign exchange markets. Currency pair GBP/JPY. By the way, I did a review yesterday on this currency pair and indicated that this is an ideal situation for intraday speculation on the lower charts, and yesterday I even showed an illustrative example of exactly what situations one had to wait for. And here is the graph of what went on. As you can see, the price did not just go further but it flew up. Now this tactic remains, but do not forget about the mathematical ratio of risk to reward. Trends do not last long, but while they go, you need to use these opportunities. Currency pair AUD/NZD. Correction has started for the Australian New Zealander, but it still does not disrupt the general movement towards the target. I said that it is not advisable to enter here on the daily chart, but this is a good opportunity to speculate on the currency pair within the day. Let's move on to the younger charts, maybe there is something interesting there. The pattern on the chart resembles a double top, but it is important to note that it is not perfect in shape, and therefore may well transform into a bullish rectangle and consolidation. There are two variants of events. The figure is worked out as a double top, and then there is a breakout and a trend change, but I doubt this variant of events, because then the double top would be with a short second top, and so the strengths of bears and bulls are equal here. The second option is the formation of a bullish rectangle, which will result in consolidation, followed by breaking through resistance levels and moving up. A more realistic option in my opinion. But the main confirmation is to look at candlestick patterns near levels.